Garlic has served people faithfully for several millennia. The vegetable was already known in the ancient world. It was found in sarcophagi of pharaohs and on Egyptian papyri. It was given to slaves during the construction of the pyramids to bring them strength and to protect them from diseases. Stalks of garlic were found during excavations in Pompeii. Garlic is mentioned in the Bible, Quran, and in Homer's Iliad and Odyssey. However, the origins of garlic are in Byzantium. Initially, garlic was used as a medicine and in ritual activities, and later people started just eating it. Garlic saved medieval Europeans from extinction during the plague and cholera epidemics. It's a natural antiseptic and antibiotic, an organic source of vitamins and microelements. Garlic strengthens the immune system, lowers cholesterol, and cleanses blood vessels. It treats hypertension, asthma, dysentery, removes worms, and soothes our shattered nervous system. It may prevent oncology, reduce the harmful effects of nicotine on the smoker's body, and also has a rejuvenating effect. Garlic and onions against evil and diseases. Since the ancient times, garlic has been considered a powerful defense against jinx, bad spells, vampires, demons, and other dark forces.